Hey traders, a little morning update for you. I started with the euro. I went over this with my guys in the room, the active trader group, and look, this euro, you can't be surprised by this move back. Okay, let me draw it for you real quick. Consolidated range, pie was flat, showing you a range trade. Okay, this is our consolidation pattern. You break the lows, you got to go with this. Okay, longer term. The weekly chart is starting to break down. It hasn't done that all year. This is a range trade. Now you got to go with this. So you can see that the bands are flaring out. We're back here at the 30, the 200s above, pies above. Now you're just waiting on this daily cycle to roll over. So for those, that are new to our style of trading and our model, when you swing trade, you wait for this daily cycle to roll over, then you get aggressive. All right, so you're close to getting a turn here. And if you're selling this longer term, I don't know, if you're going to keep a core long-term position short on the euro, you want to be a seller back here also and building a position. And your risk is above these highs. All right, so between here and here, I mean, we're talking about, just call it 113. 113 to 111, 200 pips, okay? And this is what we're trying to play for. This type of move. All right, thousands of pips. Okay, this 8. If this 8 starts to go, maybe it won't. Maybe we settle back into this annoying range. We can't control that. But what you can do is lean on this edge that this weekly chart might go. Okay, if it gets back above here, then we'll try to reset, and we'll get the next time the weekly rolls over. But that's the longer term thinking. Now, if you want to look at the swing trade, like I just said, and I'm not going to go into all the details because that's for the guys on the team, but this is the area where we want to be reshorting, all right, for several reasons. So obviously payrolls is going to matter here on Friday. I've been saying that's a big catalyst. Let's look at the long bond. We took profits here this morning. Again, I've been saying you got to know your different time durations. Weekly is a bullish uptrend. This has been an intermediate term pullback. Look at the 8 on the weekly. That has been your intermediate term down move. But this is your overall longer term trend. So we're buyers here, and you get me to get this 8 turn back up. That's gonna be your move. Um, where I'm wrong is if we take out these June lows, then I'll concede to the bearers on that one. But I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get it. So far, you got to play this edge long. This is the trend. This is the cycle turning back up. That's the longer term play on the bond. So we've been doing our normal adding and reducing, building the core position. Here's my latest moves. I was small long here, average cost. It's in red because I'm out of the money. Bought here, bought here. These are green now, showing that they're in the money. This was my average cost when I was buying here into this flush when everybody was screaming about how bearish the bond market was. We bought the lows. That brought my average up here. Now this is a longer term core position for me, so normally I don't keep it this far away from the market. But when you're talking about trying to make 5 or 10 points longer term, this is only a half a point out of the money. It's all relative. We booked some there. I took some more right off into pie here. Was the high this morning around 6 o'clock. Okay, and now I'll probably actually rebuy this dip. All right, and these higher lows are a pretty key pivot. I won't go over fives. S&Ps still small short. They're looking more and more bearish. I would cover, if you're short, I would cover some here. I'm only small short, so I'll cover into this 200 or even into pi. Still short the Russell. That's working well. Gonna stay core short. I have not bought any. I like to play short the Russell along the Dow right now. I haven't even. Haven't even touched the Dow yet from the long side. Okay, I'm gonna just try to stretch my wings here on the short side. VIX is ripping as it should. We make another leg lower on stocks, so VIX can be up at 24, 26 easily. I still have some calls there that were long. We've just been nailing this all year. Um, copper. Copper, I was a little early, but I did get heavy here short this morning. So this daily cycle is rolling over. You're back high within the range. All right, this is still in a downtrend. So we'll see. No, I'm out of the money here. Probably could have done better with my average cost, but we'll see. Global demand has not bottomed, so anytime you get these bounces in copper, they've been shorted. They've been events to short. This daily cycle is very high, so lots of room to roll over there. Gold we're long. That's going to test the underside of this level, so I have a small piece on. I'm probably going to sell it into 1300. We might not even get all the way back into the level. I might just punch that out and sit tight. That was a good buy though. We were buyers here. Took some off, rebought, added to it. That's been a nice move. Took some profits on silver this morning. I mean, it's been a nice morning for us. So same thing there. I'm going to rebuy the next dip. I like that one longer term. Oil, have not reshorted yet. It's probably going to fall back to 43. Back here towards pi. We've been short there also. So not much not working other than the euro right now. But again, I wanted a backup to these levels so we could reshort. So we'll see if we fail there. You guys can stay tuned on that. And hey, if you're new, sign up to join our team for free. You can join the chat room. It's jenkinsrm.com, jenkinsrm.com. And yeah, I'd love to have you. We're building a network of independent and professional traders, and we have traders all over the globe, and we're just getting started. So sign up there, and look forward to seeing you in the room. Talk to you guys a little later.